Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bolingbrook, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving is when you relocate your stuff across a distance of 50 miles or more, whether it's across state lines or not. An interstate or local move occurs within the same state, whereas interstate moves occur outside the state. We will assist you with local, interstate, and interstate relocations of your goods. We have excellent working relationships with all local and federal officials involved in the relocation process. We have insurance policies in place to cover any hazards that may emerge during and after the relocation. Our hardworking movers and drivers can deliver your belongings quickly and safely. There's no need to be concerned about being ripped off because all of our services are reasonably priced. Our company is no exception to the rule that local moving is less expensive than long-distance relocating. Our rates are the most affordable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. If you hire our services, our qualified and experienced movers will give you our money's worth. You don't need to worry about your lost or destroyed goods because we're experienced with busy cities and places. Our skilled local movers are dedicated to aiding you in making the best selections possible when it comes to moving. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bolingbrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.